with Music Academy International Inc. And in today's video we will talk about how to play chords. This video is for late beginners or for adults or for self-taught pianists, you know, even intermediate. If you're not sure and you are self-taught, it's good to watch this video. This video is part of an entire series of 10 videos, so watch for those, and I would like you, to watch them, all of them. I did do part number 1, major chords and arpeggio in root position, and then all minor chords and arpeggio root position on the white keys. Then I did number 3, inversion chords, major chords and arpeggios in root position, how to play them, inversion chords and arpeggio, minor chords. Right now we are having number 5, and then it will be number 6, extended position, major chords and arpeggio, white keys, how to practice. Number 7, extended position, minor arpeggios. Number 8, understanding theory behind major and minor chords. Number 9, long arpeggios. That's what I'm calling it, long arpeggio. Or number 10, minor arpeggios. And this series of 10, it will be part of a course on Teachable very soon, in which probably I will add on the 7th and the diminished chords as well. So again, now being said this introduction, let's start. Okay, so how to play chords? Well, again, so this is a triad that is a C major chord. We've been talking a lot in the video number 1. But right now, in my over 30 years of experience, over. I don't want to say how much over, because you're not supposed to know my age. Anyhow, so in my experience, I do have new students coming from, or self-taught, that actually they are keeping this wrist and they're trying to play chords like that, pushing into the fingers. Can you see this? Right? I hope the top camera, and then this, and then this. Very bad. You see this? I don't know if you actually can see, but this is rock solid right now. It's like rock solid, right? So I'm like, woof, it hurts. So more if they play chords, and then these are 3 chords, but then when you go to full chord, then everybody's like this, and oh my god, my hand already hurts, right? It doesn't supposed to hurt, and it doesn't to be pushed into it, right? So you don't push it with like a stinging thing, like that, stinging like a, you wanna, hurt the piano. No, right? So how to play chords? So actually, you will see my wrist, very important, wrist relaxed. You can try to do this exercise. So it's not the hand that I want you to move. I want you to keep your hand steady, your finger steady, and move your wrist up and down, left and right, left and right. Can you see this? Up and down, left and right, left hand as well. So try to do this, for you to get used a little bit of using your flexibility of your wrist. Eventually you would like to do some kind of wrist rotation in which you keep your fingers, on the lid, and then you just relax, okay? And once you do that, now we're talking about a little tiny bit of relaxation, even with the arm left and right. You see, I'm moving the entire arm and not doing this. Pay attention, I have a lot of students that are trying to do this, and they try this. They do this with the shoulders. No. Leave the shoulders alone. Hold your shoulders down and just do up and down, right? Just be completely flexible. I cannot find another word but flexible. Now when you play the chord, you see, being already flexible, so get your wrist up, and then you push with the wrist, up and down with the wrist, and then once you hit the note, relax. So you hit with from the arm weight, from the wrist, pushing it down, and then relaxed. Nothing is in here. Nothing, like really relaxed. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Left hand. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Nothing here, right? And then, so after you hit the note, don't stay locked with the wrist locked. Relax your wrist. So you push it down and then you relax. Push it down and then you relax. Relax. Down. Relax. It's not much to say about this. Relax. Make sure that everything is relaxed and the shoulders are very down. So don't stay like that. No. Right? In time you will add even body weight into it. You can practice some of this. You see how my body weight goes into the and with the wrist down, right? The same thing if you know your extended position of the chords, this one, you know, or just stay here and relax, right? More, up, down, relax, up, down, right? You can do an extra step, you know, up, down, and then slightly rotation of the arm, you see, down, rotate, out. You see that? Both hands rotate. Can you see that? I hope you do. Like the video if you like what I'm doing, and do comment and let me know. There are tons of videos out there with even, you know, students that they want to play and they're playing it wrong, and my heart is just, oh my God, you are so stiff, you are never going to have speed if you're too stiff. It's very important you to relax and let it come naturally. See how I'm rotating and starting again, and down, rotate your arm, out, left hand rotates out in that direction, okay? Right, down, rotate up. Right? So this is a very short video. I don't know if it's even 10 minutes or so, but it's very important. Very, very important. I really wanted to make sure that I'm doing this short video, but important, okay? So, you know, wrist, and fingers relaxation. The fingers needs to be strong, but then relaxed. So don't keep it like that. It's not gonna work in the long run. And shoulders very relaxed. You know, some pianists, you will see that some pianists, they play it like that. They are so relaxed. It's like, you know, I do prefer to stay more straight. Right? So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. Do like and subscribe and leave the comments below. I really need your comments. If you'd like to see me in person, come on Patreon. We do have our live seminars every month, and for only $10 a month is not a big deal. I am very appreciative of those that they supporting me, because I could not have done it without your support, financial support. It's a lot of work to do this. And what else? Oh, on summer, I have, right now I'm recording this video on May 2022 for June and July only. I have this special offer for new students, 4 classes only, $125. Wow, you know, 4 classes. So if you have literally private questions for me or something, we can see each other and we can have fun via the Zoom or some other, you know, forms or so. Okay, so again, thank you so much. See you in the next time. Do check the playlist, right, with all the scales. all the Hammond. It will take you 1 year to go through them, I'm telling you, if you do it right, or even more, right? Number 6 is coming extended position. Very, very important. So look for number 6 in this series. That's the extended position that I'm gonna talk how to play them. That will be major, number 6 major keys, okay? So see you, thank you.